Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, today in this video I'll show you how to fix this page is not available at the moment. So guys, when you try to log in or sign up your Facebook account and you are facing like a problem that this page is not available at this moment. So guys, today in this video I'll show you how can you fix it. So let's start our video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you have to just simply open settings. From here guys, simply tap on Wi-Fi and make sure that you are properly connected on internet and your Wi-Fi connection is strong. If it is not working properly, then you have to just simply connect to a cellular data, and after that guys, simply tap on VPN and make sure that there is not connected any VPN. If there is any connected VPN, then simply disconnect it, and after it go back and then tap on general, scroll down, and here you can see date and time. So simply tap on date and time and you have to make sure that your date and time is correct. If it is incorrect, then you have to just simply set your date and time, and after this turn this toggle to set automatically, turn on this toggle, and after that guys, your problem will be fixed. So guys, in this way you can easily fix your problem. So that's it for today guys, hope this video helps you. If the videos helped you, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.